In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon discount code on eBay. If you're an online seller looking to attract more customers or boost sales, using discount coupons is a proven strategy to entice buyers and encourage repeat business. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, open a web browser on your device and type eBay into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you will see a list of search results pop up. Locate and click on the official eBay website, which should be right at the top of your list. Upon landing on the eBay homepage, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You should see the Sign In button prominently displayed there. Click on this Sign In button to log into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are ready and hit Sign In to proceed. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon, also at the upper left part of your screen. This will give you access to a drop-down menu with more options for you. In the drop-down menu, look for the My eBay section. You will notice an arrow beside My eBay. Click on this arrow and then a new list of options will appear. Select Selling from the list. This will take you to your selling hub where you manage all your listings and sales activities. Next, in the left-hand side menu, look for and click on Marketing. The Marketing section is where all your promotional activities come to life. Within Marketing, you'll find various promotional tools. What we're interested in today is creating discounts. Click on Discounts. Now, you're just a few clicks away from setting up your coupon. You should see a Create Discount button. Give that a click. Now you have the option to create different types of discounts, but since we're focusing on coupons, go ahead and click on Coupon. It's important to note that this feature is available only if you have an eBay subscription, so ensure that your subscription is active. With that squared away, you can move forward to set up your coupon details. In the coupon creation screen, you'll need to input specific details. Start with your campaign name, a unique code that shoppers will use to avail the discount, and choose the type of discount you wish to offer. This could be a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Next, make sure to choose the items that the coupon will apply to. You might want the discount to apply to all products or perhaps just a select few. Configure these options according to your promotional goals. Finally, when you've reviewed all settings and are satisfied with the details, click on Launch Coupon. And there you have it. You've successfully created a coupon discount code on eBay. Use this powerful tool to boost your sales and attract more customers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.